Stock market sentiment fragile this Monday as investors follow the latest flare-ups in the U.S.-China trade war. Asian markets paring steep losses from earlier in the day after U.S. President Donald Trump said Washington and Beijing are ready to return to the negotiating table. Asian markets fell sharply before Mr. Trump's comments, investors panicking that the latest tit-for-tat tariffs would damage global growth. The Shanghai Composite Index ended the day down 1.2%. The Shenzhen Component Index fell around 0.2%, while Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index dropped some 2%. Now, Japan's benchmark Nikkei 225 plummeted as soon as trading began. It was down 2.2% at close. South Korea's Kospi and Singapore's STI weren't spared either, both falling more than 1%. Now, amid all the negative sentiment, the Chinese yuan also plunged 0.7% to around 7.15 against the US dollar earlier today. That's an 11-year low. European markets appeared set to follow their Asian counterparts into red territory, but they've recovered slightly after President Trump's apparent olive branch. The London Stock Exchange is closed for a holiday. Now, the turmoil began after Washington said it would increase existing tariffs on $250 billion in Chinese goods to 30% from 25%. And new duties on a further $300 billion of Chinese imports would be 15% instead of 10%. That was in retaliation to Beijing's announcement of new tariffs on $75 billion of U.S. goods on Friday.